Hi, I'm Dr. Neil Pai. And if you've been feeling tired all the time, struggling to focus, or just not like yourself lately, you're not alone. Chronic fatigue affects millions of people. And it's more than just being a little tired. It's your body telling you something deeper is out of balance. Most people think fatigue is caused by stress or lack of sleep. And yes, those play a role. But at True Weight Solutions, we've found the real culprits are hidden. Inflammation, blood sugar instability, metabolic slowdown, and poor cellular function. When your metabolism is out of sync, your energy production tanks, no matter how healthy you try to live. That's why our system doesn't rely on caffeine, pills, or quick fixes. We use a proven science-backed protocol that supports your gut, detoxes your system gently, and reactivates your metabolism. And with red light therapy, we boost energy production right at the cellular level, safely and naturally. Our clients report better sleep, clearer focus, improved mood, and real lasting energy. Unlike fad diets or generic programs, True Weight Solutions is personalized. We meet you where you are, look at what your body actually needs, and guide you step by step. No starvation, no guesswork. Just real support, science, and strategy that works with your body, not against it. If you're ready to feel like yourself again, with natural, sustainable energy, it starts here. Visit trueweightsolutions.com today to learn more and get started with a program that's designed to restore your energy and your confidence. And if you're a healthcare provider who wants to offer this powerful solution to your patients, we'd love to show you how. Visit our website. We're here to support you every step of the way.